What's going on, y'all? Drew here from SCA Performance, and today on SCA Performance TV, we've got a 2019 Ram 1500 Black Widow. Let's go check it out. With all the options available for purchasing a lifted truck today, one of the questions that I get asked most frequently is, what separates SCA Performance from the competition? My first answer is always package exclusivity, which means that each component on this SCA Ram Black Widow has been intentionally selected by SCA, designed in-house, and either manufactured here or private label manufactured for us. For a more detailed overview of the SCA process, you can check out the How It's Made video on our YouTube channel, but for now, we're gonna take a closer look at this truck, starting with the foundation, and I'll show you what I mean. The SCA 6-inch suspension lift system has been designed for a seamless transition between the aggressive demands of off-road capability and superior on-road drivability. SCA front and rear cross members, upgraded steering knuckles, and rear performance shocks are just a few of the suspension components utilized to achieve lift and give this Ram Black Widow its aggressive stance. To accompany the suspension in achieving our goal of on and off-road versatility, we've equipped the Ram Black Widow with BF Goodrich 325 60R20 ATKO2 tires. On-road, these tires offer a smooth ride with minimal road noise. Off-road, they've been rated to handle a variety of terrain types, including snow, rock, mud, you name it. Best performing and most durable tire we've ever used by far. Now, these 35-inch BFGs are mounted on 20x9 SCA Black Widow wheels. Our 20-inch wheels have been engineered with a 4.5-inch back spacing and a negative 12mm offset to sit flush with the fender flares. The concave style and gloss black with milled spoke finish give the wheels that bold look the Black Widow's known for. And one more thing I'd like to point out is that all SCA Performance wheels go through the same testing process an OE wheel does, and they actually exceed OE standards for finish durability. So, if you live up north or near the coast where salt and other hazardous road conditions have historically compromised your wheel finish, these wheels are built to outlast anything you've ever had in the past. Now, the suspension, wheels, and tires have all been tested to verify FMVSS compliance. In addition to safety testing, we also calibrate this truck's speedometer to ensure that you get an accurate speed reading even with the larger tire diameter. And one of our most popular upgrades is the SCA Ram front bumper, so I decided to go ahead and include it in this truck showcase. The 11-gauge, tube-formed, zinc-primered, powder-coated steel make the finish tough and durable. This particular bumper has actually been color-matched to the rest of the truck. The integrated skid plate, SCA signature mesh light bar cutouts, and Rigid Industries LEDs make it the best-looking high-clearance style bumper on the market. It's winch-capable, and you can even clear 37s when you're running the SCA Ram front bumper. The SCA Ram 1500 Black Widow comes standard with 5-inch black powder-coated oval wheel-to-wheel side steps, including Black Widow logo step pads, and a functional third step that provides easier access to the truck bed. Black Widow and SCA badging have been tastefully installed on the truck. Our badging is designed to mirror the quality of the factory badges. SCA bolt-on style fender flares and Black Widow hood vents are manufactured in-house using the highest quality virgin ABS plastic. The hood vents are functional in that they allow heat to escape from the engine bay while also directing the flow of incoming rainwater back to the drip rails through a built-in water management system. Our bolt-on style fender flares give the Ram Black Widow powerful styling, and the integrated mud deflectors help protect the truck body from debris. The Ram Black Widow interior has been given quite a few upgrades as well, so let's take a look at those. One of the first things you'll notice right when you open the door are the Black Widow LED puddle projector lights that shine down on the ground. You've got red LED ambient lighting, Black Widow speedometer gauges, and custom leather interior with Black Widow stitched headrest. That's a wrap for this SCA Truck Showcase. For more information about us, our products, and to find an SCA partnering dealer near you, just visit scaperformance.com.